Hey Wildcats, it's good to see you guys today. Whoa, what a semester. Here we are at the end of it. We only have a few more days left. If you're like myself and the other teachers, then you are probably pretty tired. That's okay. We're all in this together. Let's finish strong. So make sure you're turning in your missing assignments and still logging into live Zooms. Yeah, let's knock this out of the park. Last week, the weather was kind of stupidly warm. So I wanted to check in with our special weather correspondent from somewhere up north if the winter was.
Oh, it's really cold up here north. Yeah, winter really is coming.
Cool, thank you so much. And we have a great show for you guys today. You're watching Last Week at Westlane.
Counting double-digit thousands.
For our first segment, we have some students answering what they're going to be doing over holiday break.
The best gifts that I have received was a big gaming chair because that cost a lot of money and it was pretty cool to sit in because I could lean back and go all the way down. And how I'm gonna be spending my winter break is when I get my Nerf guns, I'm going to shoot them at my siblings. But don't tell them, please. And what else? And yeah, thank you.
I don't really know the best gift that I have received, but a recent gift that I have received was being able to go out of town on Thanksgiving break and spend time with my family and my cousins. And we played a lot of pool, and it was fun, and we ate and stuff. I'm going to be going over my auntie's house on Christmas Eve, which is my brother's birthday, and we're going to have tacos, and all the kids are going to spend the night. And then on Christmas, we're going to have a brunch or breakfast, and we're going to do the gift exchange, and then we're going to go home. The best part about this semester is getting good grades because this work is hard, and I'm actually surprised I have good grades. They have dropped a few times, but I brought them back up, so yeah.
Hello. I think the best gift that I've ever received is probably my computer because I think I've used it for endless amounts of hours. Yeah.
I'm going to be spending my winter break at home, sleeping in, playing video games with my friends, and that's about it. I mean, I'm not traveling anywhere, not really seeing anyone because COVID. Just going to be staying in and catching up on sleep.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and I'm going to tell you about my Christmas. Well, it has been going good, just that I haven't been able to spend my year very well with the coronavirus, So my favorite thing about Christmas is when I got my electric scooter. The best part of the semester, maybe I'm going to get mixed up, but that's okay, was when I went in person. How did I spend my semester? It was good. I don't really know. So yeah.
The best gift I've ever received was a iPhone for like Christmas or something.
The best gift I received was a diamond ring from my great grandma. I spent the winter break just sleeping in. And the best thing about the semester was nothing.
This segment is sure to be Possum and Perfect. These are the pics of your pets. Some dressed up in holiday costumes, others haven't been. So check out, see if you can see your pet, and next time, make sure that you were looking out for ways that you can jump in and contribute with Last Week at Westlane. Do you like food? Do you like eating? Do you like sweet things? Tasty things? Do you like to bake yourself? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook for others? Do you like to cook for yourself? Well, if you answered yes or no to any of those questions, then this next segment is for you. This is Cooking with Kelis.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now that we have poured the batter into the pans, you're gonna grab an oven mitt and we're going to safely slide them into the oven. Now that the cakes are done baking for 20 minutes, you're gonna let them sit out for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Wow, that looks delicious, Kelis. Thanks so much for filming that. Hey, we wanted to take a moment to apologize for some jokes on last week's episode that weren't very appropriate and didn't represent the values that we have as a Last Week at Westlane crew and the values that we have as a school. We apologize. Hey, it has been so much fun making these episodes. It is the end of the semester. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday break, and I hope you guys stay safe. And remember, every day, every Wildcat gets better. Peace out.